Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own league on the ESPN Fantasy Sports game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the ESPN Fantasy Sports game on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will be able to start creating your new league or join an existing one. Tap on the Create button to create your very own, and now you can choose the name of your league and also choose the size. After choosing both your name and size, choose the scoring type that you wish to select for your league, and then click on the Create League button. Once you click on this, your league will be immediately created, and you can either copy the invite link, and you can also text as well as email this link to your friends. You can tap on More Sharing Options to view other options to share. And once you share these links with your friends, they can simply tap on it and join you within your league on the ESPN Fantasy Sports game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your very own league on the ESPN Fantasy Sports game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.